To insert SIM card in Google Pixel, first of all, you will need to grab your phone and find the SIM tray. So usually it should be located on the top side of your phone. It may also be located on the left side around this area, or at the bottom side somewhere right here or right here. Now when you found your SIM tray, it should look like this. You can grab a SIM ejection tool. It always comes along with the phone, so you just need to grab it. It's a very thin spike that you need to insert into this hole right here. Then push on it until the hole is released, and the SIM tray is released, and then you can grab it with your fingers and remove it like that. Now you need to grab a SIM card. It's the nano SIM card that I have right here, but it's modified as it's cut from all of the corners. Usually on a SIM card you will get a shape like this that is cut only in one corner. You will need to align your card so that it fits inside, and then all you have to do is slide it back into the phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.